This meditation is your invitation to let go. This practice is for when you feel like you're carrying the weight of the world. We're slowing down. Feels like a distant dream. And beneath that weight is that part of you yearning to release. So now that you're in a comfortable position, allow your body to sink deeply into the surface beneath you, freeing all of your muscles, anything that you're holding on to tightly. And if you haven't already, close your eyes. Tune into your breath as it flows naturally in and out. There's no need to alter it. Simply observe the rise and the fall of your tummy. In this wisdom, there's a rhythm, and it knows exactly how to guide you. Take a moment to breathe deeply. And you can imagine releasing something that no longer serves you. Allow the exhale to carry away any stress or tension. And on your next breath out, you're adding a soft, soothing sound, maybe a gentle sigh or hum. And this sound allows your nervous system to feel safe and to relax. And as you continue to breathe this way, feel the weight of your body. Become aware of where it connects to the surface beneath you. The pressure of your back, your legs, and your arms. Notice the temperature of the air against your skin. and allow these sensations to anchor you into the present moment. Invite your awareness to the part of your body where you feel a sense of ease. It could be the softness in your shoulders, or the heaviness of your legs. Wherever you find this ease, let your focus settle there, allowing it to grow. Now, with the compassion, bring to mind the presence of energy that helps you to feel safe. The comforting quality you sense in the surroundings around you. Picture this presence enveloping you. The warmth, the understanding, all allowing your body to begin to soften and release. And as this presence takes shape in your mind, notice how your body responds. Maybe your chest will open a little wider as your breath deepens. Allow these shifts to occur naturally without forcing anything. Now let this compassionate energy turn its full attention towards you. Feel the quality of being truly accepted and held, if only in spirit. Notice how your body reacts to this acknowledgement. That comfort spreading through your chest. A lightness in your limbs, or a small release of tension that you didn't know you were holding. All responses are welcome, no matter how small. Your body is simply responding to the understanding of who you are right now, and that's enough. We call in your body's wisdom, allowing this presence to remain in you, with you, silently communicating that it's okay to let go. Your nervous system is familiar with this feeling. It has waited for the right time to return to the state of calm. And as you rest in this space, remember this feeling of being held is yours to reclaim whenever you need it. It resides within you, in every fiber of your being. And now that you have relaxed your nervous system, you can gently come back around with gratitude, bringing 3 things that you're grateful for today into mind. And to close this practice, take a deep breath and let out completely. Feel your body in the connection with the surface beneath you. Gently open up your eyes and return to the room. And notice the world around you and any shifts from inside. Thank you.